Okay, now I want to give you a video on inequalities. I've got a really bad cough. Some of my kids are sleeping and some are playing, so we'll see how well this video goes. The key to inequalities is in the name. The prefix in, like inaccurate or inedible, in means not. And so it means something that is an inequality is not equal to, and this is different from equations. Right, because equations means that things are equal to. So this is an inequality. And so the way you would read this is x is less than 5. So here we go. X is less than 5 is how you would read that thing. And so to graph that, you put that on a solution, and you put a circle around 5 on the number line, and you shade in the number line in the direction of less than. Right, make sure there's a big arrow on the end. So, right, x is less than 5, and in lower grades, when they first bring out this symbol, they'll use like a Pac-Man kind of thing, and they'll say, okay, so Pac-Man wants to eat whatever it is that's larger, so 5 must be larger than x. Excuse me. All right, and then you can write that symbol, you can write a similar symbol this way with a line underneath it, and you would read that as x is less than or equal to 5. So write x is less than or equal to 5, and the way you would do that on the number line is you would put a circle around the 5, and this time because 5 is part of the solution, you can be equal to 5. Now you circle that, you color that in, and then you shade in everything less than 5, or that direction at least, with a nice thick arrow. So anything, so x is less than or equal to 5 on a graph would look like this, versus here where the circle is not filled in when it's simply x is less than 5. Okay, or you could have the symbol facing this way, and then all of a sudden, ooh, Pac-Man, is now facing the x, right? So in this case, x is greater than 5, and so I put a circle around my 5, and now I shade in this direction. X is greater than 5, and over here, x is greater than or equal to 5. Right? You take half the equal sign and you put it underneath the inequality. So x is greater than or equal to 5, and so put a circle around my 5. This time I color it in, because not only am I greater than 5, I can also be equal to it. So I shade the 5 in. And the baby's crying, so let me go address that. I'll be right back.